In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a magazine into your Model 1915 magazine adapter by Blind Squirrel Enterprises. You can start by loosening the screws at least one full turn, like so. You can then insert your magazine into the adapter, squeezing the clamshell halves together gently, and push against the magazine's spring tension until it clicks into place. You can then tighten up your screws and you're ready to go shooting. If you would prefer to relieve magazine spring tension beforehand, you can install a cartridge or a snap cap into your magazine and then simply insert it that way.